In this video, I will be creating a game without any sprites. Here's how it went. Without further ado, let's delete Scratchcat. So, for a game without any sprites, here's my idea. There will be a random point on the screen. The user should find that point. The closer the user is to that point, the color changes. When the user finds that point, the user wins. So I started the game by tracking the mouse position. I used variables to store the position of the mouse. Let's add mouse Y to Y position. Now it can track our mouse position. Then I made it so that it chooses a random position from anywhere on the screen. Minus 180 to 180. So now it picks random points. The player should know how far the mouse is from the random point. So I started it with a variable counter which shows the distance to the position. But then I ran into a problem. What? Where is the distance block? Oh wait, that's only there for sprites. The game has no sprites. The scratch distance blocks only allow the distance between sprites, not positions. After thinking about what to do for 5 minutes straight, I found a solution. I made it so that it shows the x distance and the y distance separately. This makes it even easier for the player to understand how far the mouse is from the random position. Now for the winning part. I made it so that when you reach the position, you win and the game stops. And yeah, I won. The project stopped. This game right now looks horrible. It needs a lot of improvements. So first I made it so that depending on the distance the color changes, and I also added a distance label, merged the distance variables and added a win screen. This is the gameplay of the completed game. I'm getting closer. And I won. And that's how I created a game without any sprites. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe.